Hello my dear students, welcome to your GK class. Today we will study chapter 5 bonsai. But before it we will discuss about previous homework. In previous class I had given you to write and learn about given animals. So let us see. Identify the animals. Which is the heaviest insect in the world? Question number first. Which is the heaviest insect in the world? So, this is giant vita. This is giant vita. Okay. Question number 2. Which is the biggest carnivore on land? Which is the biggest carnivore on land? So, this is polar bear. Polar bear is the biggest carnivore on land. Okay. Question number 3. Which is the longest sword? So, you know it. This is whale shark. Whale shark is the largest shark. Okay. Question number 4. Which is the smallest monkey in the world? So, this is pygmy marmoset. This is pygmy marmoset. Pygmy marmoset is the smallest monkey in the world. Okay. Question number 5. Which is the fastest bird on earth? Which is the fastest bird on earth? So, this is peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon is the fastest bird on earth. Okay. Question number 6. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Which is the smallest bird in the world? So, this is bee hummingbird. Bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Okay. Question number 7. Which is the largest cat? So, Siberian tiger is the largest cat. Okay. Question number 8. Which is the largest lizard? Which is the largest lizard? So, this is Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon is the largest lizard. Question number 9. Which is the heaviest flying bird in the world? Which is the heaviest flying bird in the world? So, this is Kori bustard. Kori bustard is the heaviest flying bird. Okay. So, now let us start our today's chapter. Today we have a unique chapter. This is, can you ever imagine a tree that can grow in the space under our desk? Usually we have seen tree outside from the house or in the field. But it would be more and more interesting when a tree can grow in the space under our desk. क्या आप कभी सोच सकते हो कि हमारे टेबल पे या हमारे डेस्क पे हम कोई पेड़ को बड़ा कर सकें, हम किसी पेड़ को अपने डेस्क पे सजा सकें? क्योंकि पेड़ को तो हमने हमेशा फील्ड में या घर के बाहर देखा है, घर के अंदर तो हमने पेड़ देखा नहीं है ना? बट ऐसा पॉसिबल हो सकता है। और ऐसे मिनी ट्री को क्या बोलते हैं हम? बोनसाई. ओके. सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट टू नो अबाउट बोनसाई. How interesting would it be to have a tree that can grow in the space under our desk? The tree would blossom in its full glory with roots, trunk, leaves and flowers, sometimes even fruit. This little form of tree is what we call bonsai. Okay? The Japanese word bonsai means tree in a container or tree. So, what is the meaning of bonsai? Bonsai means tree in a container or tray. Bonsai was born in China thousands of years ago. Bonsai was born in China thousands of years ago. Back then, it was used mostly for medicine. It reached Japan later. The Japanese developed it into an art form. This fascinating art of bonsai creates a lifelike representation of nature in the form of tree. Firstly, where it was born? It was born in China thousands of years ago. After that, it raised in Japan, and it was used mostly for medicine. So, it is very important to grow more and more tree under less space. So, that's why Japanese developed it into an art form. A bonsai tree is not a specific kind of tree. As I told you earlier, bonsai tree is not a specific kind of tree. It is a mini tree. With knowledge and effort, any kind of tree or shrub can be cultivated into a healthy mini tree. बोनसाई कोई भी अलग सा कोई ट्री नहीं है. ये किसी भी ट्री को हम बोनसाई ट्री में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि मैंगो ट्री, नीम ट्री और guava tree, any kind of tree. There are people who trained to take care of it, to shape and nurture it into an older mature tree. But for cultivating into a mini tree, it is very important to people should be trained that can take care of tree. The process of creating a bonsai begins with getting a specimen of source plant. The next major step is to get rid of the unwanted branches and parts of the roots so that the tree fits comfortably into its pot. So, what is the first step? First step, to get a specimen of source plant. After that, to trim the unwanted branches, roots, leaves of the tree. This makes it easier for the tree to grow into the shape we want. This is known as trimming and pruning. Wiring, clamping and grafting are the other necessary techniques. Firstly, हम ट्री को अपने मनचाहे शेप में करने के लिए उसके पौधे, पत्तियों और रूट्स को जो कि अनवांटेड है या जो कि ख़राब हो चुके हैं, उनको हम क्या करेंगे? उनको हम ट्रिम करते हैं, वायरिंग करते हैं, क्लैंपिंग करते हैं और ग्राफ्टिंग करते हैं. Wiring means wrapping the branches of the tree with wires which provides it a firm shape. Wiring means पेड़ की ब्रांचेस को रैप करना, पेड़ के ब्रांचेस को वायर से रैप करना, जिससे कि ये हमारे अकॉर्डिंग, हमारे शेप जैसा हम चाहते हैं उस शेप के अकॉर्डिंग ये ग्रो करें. ओके. It usually take a couple of months for the tree to bend into the desired shape. It is not a very short process. It take a time. So, It takes a couple of months to year. The trunk should also be clamped so as to encourage growth. The tree should be moved into a new pot at least once a year for effective growth. For effective growth, tree should be moved into a new pot and a new soil, minerals and humus. It's all should be available in new pot. Okay, the root also be trimmed every time the tree is moved. जब भी हम ट्री को किसी नए पॉट में हम मूव करेंगे तो हम इसके रूट्स को भी ट्रिम करेंगे जैसे कि ये और भी ईज़िली तरीके से ग्रो अप हो. The art of bonsai from Japan soon became a trend all over the world. Now, this time it's spread over the worldwide. Bonsai enthusiasts from different parts of the world have been sharing their knowledge and experience gained through practice. They also hold workshops by inviting the masters of the art from Japan. Various bonsai societies and associations have been formed and conventions are held across the globe. The first World Bonsai Convention was held in Japan in April 1989. For developing a bonsai, there are many conventions was held. So, the first World Bonsai Convention was held in April 1989 in Japan. This convention is held every 4 years at different locations across the world and attracts participants from several countries. The Indian Bonsai Association was founded in March 1981 to promote bonsai in India. It means before 8 years of the World Bonsai Convention, the Indian Bonsai Association was founded in March 1981. So, India is also a bonsai association. Okay? So, bonsai is a mini tree or form of a tree that can grow space under our desk. इसमें फल, फूल, पत्तियाँ सब कुछ हो सकते हैं, लेकिन इसका फॉर्म कैसा होता है? ये एक छोटा सा ट्री होता है जिसको हम ट्रिम करके, रैप करके अपने डिज़ायर्ड शेप के अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको ग्रो करते हैं. ओके, नाउ this time, this is your homework time. You have to learn and write 5 points about bonsai. Okay.